How to download Minecraft on PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to download Minecraft on PC, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for Minecraft, then click on the official site of Minecraft. Once you get over here, click on the games option. From here, select Minecraft. Now you want to scroll all the way down and here find the option of Windows, Mac or Linux. Click on the Buy Now option. Now you want to select your edition, then click on the Checkout option. Once you have purchased Minecraft, you want to click on the Sign In option. Now enter your credentials and get signed into your account. Once you have been signed in, over here on this page, instead of Buy Now, you will find the Download option. Go ahead and click on the Download option. After that, the downloading will begin. Once Minecraft has been downloaded, you want to follow the on-screen instructions and install it on your laptop or PC. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.